Hey, Welsh Metals here. Going to be tearing down an old SATA laptop hard drive, 60GB Seagate. Now, these screws are really annoying to remove, so I remove them in a slightly different way, which I'll show, since they seem to be impact placed. So even with the right tools, the right screwdrivers, you still need to whack them. First I loosen them and then I undo them simply with a precision screwdriver. Find it's much easier. See? These screws are made of steel, nothing special. I've already loosened some of these, as you can see, but not all. Identify all the precious metal components within. There's quite a few. That should be all of them. Case simply should pop off now. There we go. Some silica gel inside of these packets. That's that desiccant stuff to suck moisture out of it. There's the platinum plated hard drive platter. That's this here. Remove the components from that then, also. These do require a whack if you're to open these though. I'll do that on this wood bit further out here. Otherwise it'll be ultra loud. No, I'm going to need to do it on a more firm surface. Let's do it in my hallway. This can be quite annoying. Can't remove these screws in the same way. That's how I remove them. Got it. These bits are quite useful for jewellery once you remove them. Stuck. There we go. platter. That's platinum. This case is made of aircraft aluminium, nothing special. Some standard screws there. And the hard drive platter itself. And the stylus, similar to a record player. It's the part that reads the magnetic disc. Still fixed in there by the neodymium magnets here, which will need to be removed next. There we go. Those connectors there on this uploading prong is gold, and there is gold within the membrane here as well, that yellow sort of stuff, which I believe is a type of Kapton tape or heat-proof tape. Here. Same again with these bits. One half of the neodymium magnet. That's the neodymium there. As you can see, it's highly magnetic. That stuff's worth a little bit. I think it's worth about $100 a kilogram of neodymium, so it's worth a little bit, worth collecting. It's not as worth as much as pure platinum or anything, which is worth about $40 a gram. Very awkward this. Which way I have to try and do it at an angle. Try and pop that stylus out of place. No. Should just sort of pop off this. Might be screwed in place. Indeed it is. Remove that bit. Need a flathead screwdriver for that. Need a lot of different screwdrivers. Where's my flathead screwdriver? There it is. Good to keep lots of tools nearby. Do it in these teardowns. Nope. Doesn't want to come off. Maybe it just pops off. It usually do. Damn. Yep, indeed it do. Bottom was stuck on a securing bolt here. Just broke it off rather than screw around, as it is indeed bolted. I can see a bolt there. Some copper here, as you can see, pure copper. Now that'll need a further examination in a minute, and I will show you why. Damn it. Just trying to remove the last neodymium magnet here, shouldn't take long. Here we go. Doesn't help when the casing is holding it in place. It's very stiff. The leverage can help. And the fact there's a neodymium magnet which is sucking the steel screws back in place. Probably why they use steel screws for this. That's the last one. And the last piece of neodymium. Another nice piece, magnetic. Highly. Aircraft aluminium case. Only got the circuit board left on the other side, which we will have a different examination of in a minute. We just gather up these materials so I can better show you. Makes sense. Back to the table. I wanted to show you something. See that on the end of the stylus there? That is indeed 24 karat gold. That is the part within the hard drive that carries pure gold within it. There's gold wire right on the end of the stylus. And all the way down this rim as well. Inside. That's kind of hard to see though, due to it's absolutely microscopic. But it is indeed there. That is also gold trapped within there, and that microchip there, that silicon die. There's also some Palladium MLCCs that I can see there. This is just aircraft aluminium like the rest. Let's go on to the circuit board now. Nearly done. Whoops. These are just crosshead screws, nothing special here. Thankfully. There we go. Got a nice circuit board here, but there is more gold to be had here also. The gold traces connecting to the stepper motor here, which is the high-speed hard drive motor. That's all gold. That can be peeled off. Let's have a look at the circuit board. So we got some nice circuit board chips here, large ones, and driver chips. Yep. These both contain microscopic amounts of gold and silver. Got some gold connectors there, clearly. Some large size MLCCs, those brown things that are full of palladium. More chips, some resistors, there's a fuse. That's an inducer, that thing contains copper. Lots of palladium, there's quite large palladium capacitors on this one. some reason. That in the corner there, that is the timing crystal just below the large black microchip, when I'm in the middle of the screen of right now. This thing, that's the timing crystal. That can contain either gold or silver. I've done videos on that, check them out. Timing crystals, or watch crystals, same type thing. And here on the connectors for the SATA connection, lots of gold there, and a few gold pins there for an auxiliary connector. Quite a bit inside of the board itself, as you can see here. Some of the connectors are indeed plated. Well, most of it is covered in copper trace, although this is heavy copper, which is a pure form of copper, all these traces. So it is a value if you collect enough of it. And large circuit boards. So quite a lot here. We got gold on various components, platinum disc here, Palladium, silver, neodymium, aluminium. So large selection inside of hard drives. Let's not forget the 24 karat gold there on the connector, on the stylus. Very, very shiny. And we have some steel in the screws also. So check the thumbnail and the description, and I will add more information. And check my Instagram and Twitter for good pictures of all this good stuff. Till next time.